Is Kyle just clapping on the inside of the truck?
Clap, 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 clap. That
Oh, that's fucking funny.
They're in front of us.
We're in a dump truck. I don't know what they're gonna try to do.
Holy fucking shit! No! What was I getting shot by?
Wow.
Oh, it's probably the guy in front of us.
There's a guy in front of us?
Yeah.
I'm so sad right now. What's up, Gramps?
Impact hammer.
Impact hammer.
There's a vacuum truck. Oh man. Ooh, there's
You
a
know what?
monster truck
Screw it.
one.
I just spent $160,000 on ammo.
Really?
It hurts.
160,000?
It kind of hurts.
Damn, bro. I was about to say, I was about to try one up. He was like, "No way, man! I spent 25,000 and stuff like that." I was like, "Wait a minute, 160,000? Fuck, fuck."
And the thing is, this is probably gonna at least last me like 5 or 6 missions.
Well, longer if you don't, you know.
As long as we don't.
You know,
fuck
we should have all bought armor too, huh?
I thought I did. Yeah, I have armor.
up. Well, I don't think I'll run out of ammo anytime
Are you
soon.
taking my car, bro? Bruh.
Really?
Okay, I have 9,999 rounds with literally every gun.
You should, unless it's like explosives. Oh fuck!
Oh my god!
Sup, bitches?
You just don't run into the one we need to steal.
Yo, Pips, when you gonna get swole? What do you mean?
What you
I don't know when I would like to get swollen.
Swollen.
Vacuum truck, put your your dick in it.
That thing will rip your dick off.
Oh my god. Really?
I didn't know that vacuum trucks were a thing.
Your butthole. It's the ones that like that clear out the septic tanks and shit like that, right?
Well, so far it's just like
Wait a minute.
on the side of the road, cleaning up trash.
Kyle, get in!
You're the one who drove
just
off
cleaning
and
up trash on the side of the road.
I thought I saw you get in.
Bullshit. That's a lie. Wait a minute.
Didn't even know the vacuum trucks were a thing.
Oh my god.
The
Guys.
I have $34,000. I was gonna buy a car, but no. Ammo. Ammo is needed.
You just bought ammo.
I literally spent $160,000 to refill all my ammo.
Yeah. So you shouldn't need to buy.
Get up,
I know. I
Thomas.
said I was gonna buy a car, but I decided to buy ammo instead.
I was confused with your words, Kyle.
The fact that this is working, Pips, just surprises the hell out of me.
You remember where the next place is? Hold up.
Go.
Let me look on the map. I think it's like.
Wait.
We go left,
What
right?
is this?
I think
I
it's
may
like
be
right here.
old, but I still get that swell. No. Somebody just photoshopped that old man's face.
Oh,
Wait,
hold on.
I don't remember where we go. Oh my
Oh.
god, Goofy singing Attack on Titan fits perfectly as well. Oh my god. What the fuck are you showing these people, Knight? My god.
No, that was the swole grandpa.
That was a swole grandpa. Oh man, Zeno and Knight. Have you guys watched an anime called Gargantia? It's actually pretty fucking cool.
Dump, 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 truck.
Wait, really?
Oh man.
Oh, watch out. Okay.
Let me get back on the truck.
Why don't you just go like straight forward so that way, you know, you can turn right or left and then.
Alright.
Fucking picky ass game. Gargantia?
Gargantuan?
Gargantia, literally. It's the name of a ship. It's basically like Mecha Space Battles meets Waterworld.
Jim, get the fuck off my dick.
That's pretty fucking cool. It's on Netflix.
How do we know which
So
bag
Sergeant
to
Pip's
grab?
permission to post link of dumb video that has Goofy singing Attack on Titan. Okay.
The song isn't called Attack on Titan.
Attack on Mickey.
You're a Mecha Space Battle. Hey, what's up, Sajin? How you doing, bro?
Oh.
Yeah, Gargantia. Yeah. You seen it? It's pretty cool, huh?
It's pretty cool, huh?
Okay, it's like yesterday was my day off. I woke up at like 8 in the morning. Amber went to work, and I watched most of the show. I streamed a little bit. Amber came back home from work, and we watched the rest of the show.
Oh no, my battery's getting low on my controller.
Oh shit.
Oh
What's going on,
shit!
Satan?
We're good.
Just call him Satan.
Sajin.
Oh shit.
Jit.
Satan. There's a fucking ammunition right here. Really?
Yeah, that's the nice one.
Really?
Hey, fuck boys.
I'm gonna watch another Crunchyroll tomorrow. Nice. Nice.
I like crunchy.
I don't like watching shit on there because it's only Japanese. And I don't like reading subtitles.
All right, Jem, do not get off.
Get off.
Don't get off.
Get off.
I'm
I
not.
don't know.
I'm gonna run you over.
Subtitles.
You gonna run me over now?
Enough.
Rev helped free Sour Punch straws yesterday. I got me one of the big packs. Who's Ralph?
Yeah, who's Ralph?
Wreck it.
Who's Ralph?
What, Thomas?
But yeah, can I get permission to post it though, just so it doesn't shove blah blah blah.
Go.
Hold
Go.
on. Hold on.
Go.
Hold on.
We need to go now.
I have to go to the bathroom. Ow.
We need to go now.
You get anime from sub teams? What? Subs,
Well, I was
dubs.
just trying to
Fix that, you
save
little
name
electric car.
because they call us. I called you Satan.
Satan.
Oh, Ralph's is a supermarket? Oh, okay. It's like, is
Oh,
that
yeah,
your best
Ralph's.
friend?
Like, who's Ralph?
Or is that like the guy in the white van by your house?
With the tinted windows?
I'm gonna wreck it.
He had sour straws, and I was like, yeah.
Those weren't sour
Fucking
straws.
deal. Alright. Backing up, backing up, backing up, backing up. My daddy
Okay.
taught me. Ugh!
You taught me good.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Burn out.
No.
Burn out, Pip.
Before he
Burn
fails
out.
mission
Oh,
because he
come on,
can't get the
come on.
truck out.
Yeah,
Pip, burn out.
Right, get another car. Get another car.
Wait.
Pip, let me drive.
Oh, he did it.
We got,
Kyle, you're holding us back, Kyle.
Oh,
get,
let me-
out,
let me-
get out of the way.
Let me eat some snacks before we leave. I'm ready. Ready. I'm getting off. No! Don't kill me.
Oh my god.
Alright, I gotta grab the first trash can. You ready? Grabbing it.
Wait, did the gas stations
Very
blow up in
scary
this
for-
game? I can't
Yes,
remember.
they do blow up. Don't hit them.
Okay.
Blow him up and shit.
You guys suck. Whatever, Calamity. For fuck's sake.
Shoot
You know,
it,
Ruzom, I don't know if we're gonna be able to do Smash
Come on.
tonight. That's probably gonna be tomorrow or something like that.
Come on. Come on.
Wait,
Thomas.
wait,
Thomas.
wait. Go, 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 go. I'm about to die.
Go,
Hey,
go,
Oh,
go.
I'm about to
Come on, go.
fucking die.
Go.
Okay.
I don't know if we can do Smash
Next.
tonight. It's getting kind of late, and I gotta get up at 8 in the morning tomorrow for work.
8 in the morning.
Hey, wait, tomorrow's Sunday.
Fuck. So after this heist, I'm probably gonna shut it down. I think.
After this heist entirely or this setup?
Nah, this setup right here.
Ah.
Nah. Dump, 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 dump truck. Dump it, dump, dump, deep, 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 deep.
Go, go, go. Down there.
Pips, what are you doing,
Gotta go
Pips?
down there.
What are you doing, Pips?
Oh, I gotta know that. I knew that.
Just go, just
I knew that. Just gotta turn around is all.
Don't do that. Don't do that now. We're gonna lose the bitch.
Oh no, a pipe.
Oh, please.
Ow.
Fire.
Hips, get out of the car. I got this. I'm a professional. I know how to fix these kind of things.
Oh, God.
No.
The emergency vehicle versions of Schoolhouse Rock.
Wow. All right then.
Kyle knows how to get out of situations like these.
Is this like the emergency vehicles version of Schoolhouse Rock? Pips, for fuck's sake. I'm sorry, Calamity. Shit happens. Shit happens a lot,
Shit
doesn't
happens
it, Kyle?
when you drive down the mountain
Shit happens a lot.
or the hill. Hey, none of that now. You gotta get into the vehicle, sir.
There we go. Oh,
Oh!
No.
Drive it! Drive!
please,
Drive!
no, please, no.
It's on fire!
Not following you. See, the Vagos can go places a U.S. extradition can go. Nice, hot places with people that otherwise attract snowbirds. Okay. Okay. Good.
What the fuck?
Got the Molly. Keep on moving. Come on. Away from here. Go for it.
I didn't even realize until I took it.
Oh my god. That was so fucking close. Oh my god.
Oh fucking god! I'm so done with this game.
We have 10 seconds to react.
Oh my god. I can't fucking believe that shit just happened.
And that's how you finish the heist.
There you go.
The flames make you go faster, obviously.
Hashtag super close.
That was extremely close.
Hashtag nailed it.
Oh my god, Jem's dying.
Oh, that was great. I didn't even realize it. I was like, what are you talking about?
What are you talking about? Oh shit!
He's gone.
She died.
Oh my god.
Finished.
That was so good.
Oh man.
Yeah. We always seem to end on the good notes.
Yeah, right.